Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Everest from the new DreamWorks movie Abominable coming out soon. So, to start off with Everest, we are going to begin with his eyes. So, starting right here on my paper, I'm going to draw a big line, a big curve like this, and then kind of curve it down like this, kind of like a circular shape, but I kind of made it flatter at the bottom. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a big curved line, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it down, keep it a little bit flatter. Then inside of here, I'm going to draw a big circle, and then I'm going to draw another big circle in here, and I'm going to color in this last one. Then I want to do the same thing here, make a big circle, and then draw one more, and I'm going to color in that last one. Now for his nose is real high by his eyes, so I'm going to draw two little curved lines like this. Now he has a really big mouth, so I'm going to draw a line that goes down here and across and then up here. And then I'm going to redraw that line just a little bit bigger. Now I want to draw his teeth. Now he has a really big tooth right here. And then they slowly get a little bit smaller as they go closer towards the mouth, or the middle, and then they slowly start to get bigger. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around and then down for where his hair is going to be. Then over here, I'm going to draw a little line that kind of curves around for an ear. And then I'm going to draw a little shape like this inside of here for the inside of the ear. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line here and a line that curves around for that part of the ear. Now for some hair. So I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down like this for some hair. And then I'm going to add a little bit longer one like that. And then I'm going to add a few more over here. Now, he's got kind of wild hair all over the place, so I'm just going to draw some hair kind of going all around here. That just kind of goes all the way around. Then I'm going to bring some of this hair kind of down. And then I'm going to draw it out like this for his arm. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to kind of draw another big furry curve. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to bring this kind of furry curve line down here into the arm. Now for his toes, I'm going to draw a big bump like this. And then I'm going to draw another big bump right here, and I'm going to connect this right to here. And then I'm going to draw another big one over here. Then the same thing here. I'm going to draw a big curve and another big one. And then one more right here. Then he's also going to have a fourth one back here. Now he also has another foot back here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that kind of curves out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little circle for a toe. Then I'm going to make another shape like this. And then another one. Then I'm going to curl this back here like that. Give him another little circle for a toe, and then a big circle for the bottom of his paw. Then I'm going to draw a big circle right here for another toe. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this down for this part of the foot. Then on here, I'm going to add a few little circles for his toes, or his toenails, I should say. And then I'm going to add kind of like a furry beard shape right here. And then I'm just going to add a few extra little lines here and there, just to make him look really furry. I'm going to add make some of these lines kind of come out from the center. And then you can just kind of keep adding some more of these around here, different lengths. Put a few more in here. And then I'm going to add a little line here and just add some more fur down here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Everest from the new Abominable movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.